अस्सलाम वालेकुम स्टूडेंट्स। आज का जो हमारा टॉपिक है बिजनेस स्टडीज़ से हमने लिया है क्लास हमारी है 11th। तो दैट इज़ मैरीन इंश्योरेंस। ये जो इंश्योरेंस है, कल जो हमारा टॉपिक था दैट वाज फायर इंश्योरेंस एंड लाइफ इंश्योरेंस। तो आज हमारा जो टॉपिक है ये इसकी तीसरी टाइप है, दैट इज़ मैरीन इंश्योरेंस। मैरीन इंश्योरेंस हम आज जानने की कोशिश करेंगे व्हाट इज़ मीन बाय मैरीन इंश्योरेंस। इट इज़ एन इंश्योरेंस contract under which an insurer agrees to compensate the insured in the manner and to extent thereby agreed against marine losses. It provides protection against marine perils like collision of ship, fire, captured by pirates, sinking of ship, etc. In this case, the insurer is known as underwriter, who undertakes to compensate the owner of the ship or cargo for complete or partial loss at sea. In return, the insured pays a certain sum of money in advance. It includes the following policies: ship or hull insurance. The insurance policy indemnifies the insured for losses caused to the ship by dangers at sea. Freight insurance. Usually, the freight is paid to the shipping company when the goods reach the destination safely without any damage. Therefore, in order to reimburse the loss of freight, the freight insurance is also taken by the shipping company. उसके बाद है cargo insurance. It is an insurance policy taken to cover the risks to cargo during its transportation by ships. These risks may be risk of theft, loss of goods in voyage or at ports, etc. There are elements of marine insurance. Let them discuss. First one is insurable interest. It is essential that the insurable interest must be present at the time of loss, but not necessary at the time of taking the policy. Second one, that is utmost good faith. The contract of marine insurance is a contract of utmost good faith, like that of life and fire insurance contract. Both insurer and insured are required to disclose all the information which in their knowledge can affect the contract. Third one is that is principle of indemnity. Similar to fire insurance, the principle of indemnity is also applicable to marine insurance. In an event of loss, the insured can recover the amount of loss from the insurer, but under no circumstances the insured is allowed to make profit out of this contract. Fourth one, that is proximate cause. The principle of cause proxima is also applicable to the contract of marine insurance. The insurance company is liable to indemnify the insured only when the particular or nearest cause is covered by the policy. ये तो था मैरीन इंश्योरेंस। अब हम यहाँ आगे चलेंगे, बाकी जो इंश्योरेंस हैं उनको भी हम डिस्कस करने की कोशिश करेंगे। दैट इज़ जनरल इंश्योरेंस। तो जनरल इंश्योरेंस और अदर इंश्योरेंसेस में पहला आ जाता है दैट इज़ हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस. It provides a protection against rising medical costs It is a contract between the insurer and an individual or a group in which the insurer, in consideration of premium, agrees to provide specified health insurance. Premium can be paid either in lump sum or in installments. Usually, under health insurance, direct payment or reimbursement for expenses associated with illness or injuries is made. Second one, that is motor vehicle insurance. In this, the insurance company meets the owner's liability to compensate principal who were killed or injured through negligence of the motorists or drivers. Third one, that is burglary insurance. It covers the risk caused to the household goods and property due to theft, burglary, housebreaking, etc. The actual loss is compensated on the fulfillment of following two conditions. Presence of insurable interest at the time of loss is essential but not necessary at the time of taking the policy. The principle of cause proxima is applicable to this insurance. The insurance company is liable to compensate for the loss only when the particular or nearest cause is covered by the policy. Fourth one, that is cattle insurance. In this contract of insurance, a specified amount is paid to the assured on the death of animals like bulls, cows, buffaloes, etc. due to accidents, disease, etc. Crop insurance. This contract of insurance provides financial support to the farmers in case their crops like rice, wheat, pulses, etc. are damaged due to droughts or floods. Sixth one, that is supports insurance. This insurance provides protection to the amateur sportsmen in respect of their supporting experiment, personal effects, personal accident risks, etc. This type of insurance is not available to professional sportsmen. It provides protection in respect of any one or more of the following sports: cricket, golf, बैडमिंटन, स्क्वॉश एट्सेट्रा. सेवन्थ जो इसकी टाइप है दैट इज़ अमर्त्य सेन शिक्षा योजना. दिस पॉलिसी secures the education of dependent children if the insured parent or legal guardian suffers from an injury caused due to an accident or violent and visible means, and also such injury results in the death of the insured within 12 months. In such a case, the insurer becomes liable to indemnify the insured student in respect of all covered expenses to be incurred from the date of occurrence of such accident till expiry date of policy or completion of the duration of covered course, whichever occurs first. Such indemnity amount should not be more than the amount stated in the policy. Last one, that is Rajeshwari Mahila Kalyan Bima Yojana. This policy aims at providing protection to the family members of insured women in case of their death or disablement due to problems incidental to women only. Thanks.